Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, November 13th, 2014. It's now 3:37 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all closed up after a very up and down day. The S&P closed up as a spinning top. Price is above 2034, but we haven't had a convincing close yet. The next target is 2093, and this is the Fibonacci 100% extension level. Support remains at 1900. The NASDAQ 100 futures closed up. Price is slowly moving towards resistance at 4242, and this is the Fibonacci 78.6% extension level. Support remains at 3691. The US dollar closed down slightly. Price continues to consolidate around 23.35, which is resistance. The next target is 23.57. Support is at 22.45 as seen by the green oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, November 13th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 3 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the pound Swiss franc, the Swiss franc yen, the euro pound, and the euro yen. The New Zealand dollar pairs aren't shown. Here's our trades summary chart for November. For open trades, our Swiss franc yen trade remains open and we are long for micros. Target number 1 is 120.39 and our stop loss is at 118.01. For new orders, no new orders were placed today. We'll now look at some price charts. First, we'll look at our open trade on the Swiss franc yen. We're long for micros at 119.89. Target number 1 is 120.39. Our stop loss is at 118.01. We'll now look at our other 3 qualified pairs. First is the pound Swiss franc. Price has been moving in a sideways channel and it is approaching the bottom of that channel. Second is the euro pound. Price on this has also been moving in a sideways channel and price at the moment is midway in the channel. The third qualified pair is the euro yen. Price has recently broken out of the sideways channel to the upside. This would be a bullish trade. Let's also look at a couple of the popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Euro US dollar. Price has been moving in a sideways channel and it appears to continue to be consolidating. Here's the US dollar yen. After breaking out of this sideways channel, we are again consolidating. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening for Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the 2 indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.